roast. So the first thing that you need to do, and it's for the crock pot, first thing you need to do is get your crock pot out, get it turned real high, get it plugged up, the whole nine, and then spray the inside of it. Spray. I'm going to do 2 roasts because it takes that many to feed my family. These are not cheap. You need to use a chuck roast. That's going to be your best roast to use. It's got the right amount of fat versus meat ratio, and it's tender after it's cooked. Now, I do mine a little bit different than everybody else is there. So get you a small, or these you can get whole, you can get sliced. I get sliced. Okay, all that in, juicing off. Loaves of onion soup mix if you're doing 2 roasts. If you're doing 1 roast, just do 1. So this is onion soup mix. It's got all of your flavoring in there versus your onion, stuff like that. And you need ranch dressing packets, 1 per roast. Just barely touching the top of the roast, and then you need to check it periodically during the day, see if it needs just a little bit more water added to it, because you don't want it to scorch or burn. So see you back here in about 6 to 8 hours. Okay, y'all, it's about 8 hours later. These are the roasts now. They're basically cooked to pieces, and then you have like a really thin, what we call dipping gravy in here. It's not a thick gravy, it's more like juices, like a au jus. And I did not have to buy this special packet of au jus to make it. So we're going to serve this on small hoagie rolls and mashed potatoes. So let me get that plated up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I plated it up for you so you can kind of get a feel for how it goes. But usually we toast these, and usually also I put on like some provolone or something like that, but I didn't have any, so I just put on some cheddar on it, and then I made mashed potatoes, and then took a little bit of the real thin gravy that it made, the dipping sauce, and put it on the potatoes. Real easy, real simple. Though all that stuff in a crock pot, you have dinner in a few hours, and you just put aside with it. That's it. It's perfect for these fall blustery days coming up, and all the shopping you're going to be doing. So I'll see y'all next time.